If you have the need to create a high quality photo of your product, you're in the right place. There's two different ways to go about this. One is a complex DSLR, lighting, backdrop, whole bunch of other things, or we can actually render that high quality image directly out of your SOLIDWORKS software. If you have access to SOLIDWORKS Professional or SOLIDWORKS Premium on active subscription, you also get access to SOLIDWORKS Visualize, which is essentially a photo studio for your CAD data. So you can make high quality images well before the product is even built to get that marketing hype up. Let's jump in and take a look. Alright, here we are in SOLIDWORKS Visualize, our CAD photo studio. The appearances from my CAD model have come through into the photo studio, so really all that's left to do is to place it in its proper environment. In order to place it in its proper environment, we're going to apply an image to the backdrop and adjust the cameras so that my model looks like it fits part of this image. I like it, but I'm not in love with the color of the wood background. So let's try a little bit darker of an image. Oh yeah, that looks much better. So let me just position my model so that it looks a little bit more belonging to this image, and you know what? I'm happy with that. What if I wanted to show different variations of my model? Well, if we were using a DSLR in the real world, we would have to have a separate physical model for each variant. But we're in the CAD photo studio of SOLIDWORKS Visualize, so we can simply just drag and drop appearances to adjust colors. We can adjust materials, we can adjust backgrounds infinitely. So as you can see, it's very quick and easy to make adjustments and get that rendering just the way you like it. Wow, that looks awesome. And it took me very little time to get a rendered image from my CAD software so I can send this off to my marketing team and get some buzz going around these awesome CAD Dimensions coasters that I know everybody's going to want. If you have more questions or want some more information about SOLIDWORKS Visualize, please take a look at our YouTube channel. My colleague Jesse Sprague has done some really awesome videos on Visualize and what you can do with it. So thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share for more awesome content.